You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Disney princess character. If you want to learn more character names from Disney, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, especially the ones that are confusing. Princess Jasmine is how it's pronounced in English, from Aladdin, of course. Jasmine. Now, the S can be pronounced either like a Z, Jasmine, or like an S, Jasmine, or somewhere in between. I like to pronounce it somewhere in between, Jasmine. How do you pronounce it, Jasmine or Jasmine? Jasmine. I think it's more of an S. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.